What happens to your body when you don't get enough sleep? You know that horrible feeling the next day if you've ever spent the entire night tossing and turning. After a poor night's sleep, you're worn out, cranky, and generally unfocused. Regularly getting less sleep than the 7 to 9 hours that is advised for healthy adults will leave you feeling more than just exhausted and irritable. There are some very serious long-term effects of lack of sleep. Your body and brain cannot function properly when you are sleep deprived, which has a detrimental effect on your overall quality of life. So let's examine more closely how sleep deprivation impacts your body's systems. Number 1. Central Nervous System. Sleep is crucial for the normal operation of your central nervous system, which serves as the major information highway for the entire body. Contrarily, this information transfer is hampered by long-term sleep deprivation. Your brain becomes overworked and fatigued when you don't get enough sleep, which hinders its ability to function properly. You can have trouble focusing or picking up new information. Your body's signals may also be delayed, which might affect your coordination and make you more likely to have an accident. Additionally, studies have shown that lack of sleep negatively affects your mental and emotional health. You might notice that your level of impatience or propensity for mood swings increases. Making decisions may also be hampered by it. Long-term sleep deprivation can also cause hallucinations and cause mania in those with bipolar disorder. Number 2. Immune System. Your immune system creates molecules like cytokines and antibodies while you sleep. They defend you against illness and infection. These compounds fight off external invaders like viruses and bacteria. Additionally, some cytokines promote sleep, which improves the efficiency with which your immune system can protect you from disease. Unfortunately, lack of sleep makes it harder for your immune system to strengthen its defenses. Lack of sleep can make it harder for your body to fight off intruders and make getting well more difficult. Number 3. Respiratory System. Sleep and the respiratory system work together in harmony. However, various illnesses and disorders can interfere and cause problems. For instance, obstructive sleep apnea, a problem of the nocturnal breathing, can impair and lower the quality of your sleep. Due to sleep apnea, you may wake up frequently at night, which can cause sleep loss and make you more prone to respiratory infections like the flu or the common cold. Lack of sleep can aggravate respiratory conditions already present, such as chronic lung disease. Number 4. Digestive System. Sleep deprivation is a risk factor for being overweight or obese, along with overeating and not exercising enough. The hormones ghrelin and leptin, which controls sensations of hunger and satiety, are affected by sleep. Lack of sleep is associated with greater ghrelin levels, which stimulates appetite, and lower leptin levels, which promotes fullness. As a result, hunger and appetite are increased, especially for foods high in fat and carbohydrates. Late-night snacking or overeating may be explained by the variation of these hormones. Additionally, lack of sleep makes you less active, and since you aren't burning enough calories, this can eventually result in weight gain. Your body also produces less insulin after eating as a result, which lowers your body's ability to tolerate glucose. Furthermore, these changes can cause obesity and diabetes. Number 5. Cardiovascular System. Your risk of developing cardiovascular issues rises if you don't get enough sleep. This is due to the fact that your heart and blood vessels do not receive the proper rest and repair to maintain their efficiency. Chronic sleep deprivation can also worsen conditions like high blood pressure, stroke, and heart disease because it causes weight gain. Number 6. Endocrine System. The body's ability to produce hormones is also greatly influenced by sleep, and not getting enough ZZZS can seriously mess with your hormone levels. For example, for your body to produce testosterone at its highest level, you need at least 3 hours of uninterrupted sleep. Multiple nighttime awakenings can interfere with it. The body needs growth hormones to, among other things, maintain and build muscle mass, repair cells and tissue, and perform other essential processes. Sleep disruptions may make it more difficult for the body to produce these hormones. The human body experiences deterioration and needs time to heal, both physically and mentally, just like any other machine. It should go without saying that getting enough sleep each night is the best way to deal with the lack of it. You must also make sure that you are receiving good sleep. You can watch a video we made a while ago if you'd like some advice on how to get back on track with a healthy sleep schedule. The description below includes a link. It's time to consult your doctor if you make the necessary lifestyle adjustments but still have trouble falling asleep or feel exhausted all day. They can collaborate with you to pinpoint the issue's root cause and create a strategy for treating it so you can get some rest. Give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful and tell your friends about it so we can make more like it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and remember to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.